We present the multifunctional rotary laser level Nivel System NL640. The laser is available in two options, with a red beam NL640R or a green beam NL640G. The device operates using digital technology. A digital receiver with numerical readouts is included as standard equipment. The level is protected against harsh weather conditions as confirmed by its IP65 rating. And the most important component, the laser head, is protected by a metal housing. The level projects a horizontal plane. This plane serves as a reference for measuring height differences. The horizontal plane can be tilted in one or two directions, either manually or digitally. Additionally, the level can also operate with a vertical plane. The device is simple and easy to use. We work with high precision, up to 0.72 millimeters over 10 meters and over distances up to 300 meters, which means the laser's working diameter is 600 meters. The power system itself is based on our most powerful lithium-ion system with a capacity of 8,000 mAh, which ensures many hours of continuous laser operation on the construction site. Function management is carried out via an intuitive control panel. Here you'll find the power on-off switch. We have the option to set slopes manually. To do this, you need to lock the compensator and select the appropriate plane, either X or Y. Then, using the minus and plus buttons, tilt the plane. In addition, we also have the option to set slopes digitally. In this mode, you again need to select either the X or Y plane. Then, using the minus and plus buttons, enter the appropriate parameter and confirm the entered values. We also have the option to use the tilt function, which safeguards measurements in difficult construction conditions. If the laser is bumped or moved, it will shut off and notify the operator of incorrect readings. We also have the ability to change the rotation speed of the head within the range of 0, 100, 300, 600 and 800 revolutions per minute, as well as use the scanning function, which means drawing segments on the wall with the laser beam at a specified angle. The laser is powered by a lithium-ion battery. Recharging can be done while the device is in operation. We also have the option to remove and replace the battery, charge it at home, and then reinstall it for trouble-free operation on the construction site. The laser level comes with the RD600 Digital receiver, which displays height differences numerically on the screen. The receiver features a wide detection range of 127 millimeters and is highly precise and durable, making it suitable for tough construction site conditions. Nivel System rotary levels are covered by both warranty and post-warranty support. We have an extensive network of local service centers both in the country and abroad. We offer services such as calibration, inspections and repairs. You can find more information from our distributors as well as on the website www.nivelsystem.com.